Now, in the wake of the recent state of public emergency declared in St. Catherine, the Area 2 police have heightened operational activities. Head of the Area 2 Assistant Commissioner of Police, Calvin Allen, says the team is not leaving any loopholes for criminals crossing borders. Shamela Pullen tells us more.
Just hours after Prime Minister Andrew Holness declared a state of public emergency for St. Catherine on Friday, amidst an increase in crime and violence, police personnel were seen in their numbers carrying out several spot checks at the border of St. Anne and Trelawney.
There are several roadways that are utilized, not just the main corridors. There are several other roadways that are utilized. And so we are taking nothing for granted in terms of the different tactics that these guys might try to use to evade a SOE. So we're not taking any chances. We are ensuring that our presence is out there in all shapes and forms to treat with these issues that we know will arise.
Assistant Commissioner of Police Calvin Allen is the head of Area 2, which covers St. Anne, Portland, and St. Mary. According to ACP Allen, the Joint Police Military Team carried out their activities based on information they received for that particular area.
Over 17 offensive weapons were seized, mostly knives, ice picks, machetes out of public passenger vehicles. We would have prosecuted over 65 breaches of the Road Traffic Act, which include even summonses that were served by the Transport Authority. We found about 18 small packages of ganja out of public passenger vehicle, but based on the fine, no one was arrested.
Over 17 firearms were also inspected, but ACP Allen says they were all up to date. Meanwhile, ACP Allen says while crime and violence is somewhat under control in St. Anne and Portland, St. Mary remains a concern.
I will quickly say that for St. Mary, most of what is happening are interpersonal conflicts that are being played out. Persons are finding this sort of a heinous way in which they settle their disagreement. And this is what has caused most of those murders that we have seen in the St. Mary space. So one of our best approach, which we are doing, is that intervention, to go into the communities, to on the corner engagements with them to see how best we can get the message across.
ACP Allen says the team is warning criminals and those who shield them that the police are relentless in their efforts to rid the parishes of illegal activities. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.